Good evening. Magandang gabi po, our dear listeners, mga tagapakinig at taga-subaybay. Welcome uli ngayong Sabado, 7 to 8 p.m. Senior City Kwentuhan. Brought to you by our sponsors, Education Network Philippines, Senior sa panahon ng COVID, Lapis Siso Channel, and Philippine Rural Reconstruction Movement. We started Senior City in 2020, 5 years ago. And since then, we've managed po to be your co-hosts. Ako po si Eda La Torre at ang katabi kong co-host ay
Si Tita Girly.
thank you, Girly, for persevering as my co-host. But of course, from time to time, nahalata nyo na we have alternate co-hosts from PRRM, si Kai Santos at si Berna Osorio. Nung kahapon o di isang araw tumawag sabi, "Sir, baka hindi makakapag ano kami, makakapag-broadcast nung inihanda kasi may busy schedule kahapon sa PRRM. Nag-meet yung NEDA Chamber of Stakeholders tungkol sa SDG. Mabuti na lang sabi ko, ay, meron kaming materials na nainihanda na pwede kong yun ang tapusin at ipipresent. Kasi pinag-uusapan namin ni Gary yun nun. Kaya nga, tonight po, welcome. It will be an interest. Talagang senior city kwentuhan ito. Dalawang senior na nagkwekwentuhan. Kasi nga po, this has been parang ano namin, discussion for mga ilang buwan na, no? Ayan. Ang title, medyo, ang tawag nun, daunting sa iba.
Ang haba.
Bago na namang ismo yan.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Communitarianism. Communitarianism. And if you want to call yourself one, you will be a communitarian.
Iba naman yan sa pagiging communist.
Oo, syempre naman.
Hindi tayo marered tag dyan.
Pero hindi lang communitarianism, which is the main topic for tonight, but ililink natin sa psikolohiyang Pilipino.
Okay.
May communitarian element ba sa psikolohiyang Pilipino?
Yes.
How do we apply?
Kapwa.
Ayun na nga, inunahan mo na, sinabi ko nga eh. Kaya ho namin na ihanda itong ganitong topic. Ilang buwan na ako, nung unang mong tinanong, Ed, ano nga ba tayo? Dati kasi ang tingin sa atin,
Radical.
mga leftists.
Or radical.
Ngayon, tatawagin pa kaya tayong ganun? Or more important, hindi yung tawag sa atin ng iba, kundi anong tawag natin sa ating sarili.
Yes.
At sa ginagawa natin,
Yes.
at ating layunin at tunguhin.
Yes.
So, sabi ko, marami akong binasa dati, ang tagal na, pero hindi ko pinagpatuloy, kaya nagsimula akong mag-scramble ulit, parang naghalongkat ng baol ng aking kaisipan at kalooban. Sabi ko, I will revisit communitarianism. And then, tingnan natin, well, mukhang malapit yun sa atin. Ewan ko lang, bahala ka na. Pero, at the same time,
sa psikolohiyang Pilipino.
yan, gusto nating ilig sa psikolohiyang Pilipino. So, kumbaga yung communitarianism, most of the literature is Western. May konting Asian, but mainly mga northern countries yan, yung mga industrialized and all that. Kasi nga, pag na-industrialized, nado-dominate na ng market economy, nagiging individualistic ang mga tao, kanya-kanya.
Yes.
Competitive. So,
idea sa mga democratic nations ay yung liberty, yung pagiging individual, yung kanilang freedom to be who they want to be.
Tapos naman,
Is there anything wrong with that?
We'll find out.
Okay.
Like anything, pag napasobra, may problema.
Okay.
As Aristotle used to say, nako,
Sino ba si Aristotle?
Greek philosopher who is considered the first philosopher who wrote on politics. And he always, not politics only, but also ethics. And he had a saying in Latin, hindi naman Latin siya, Greek siya. Pero
Okay.
translate sa Latin,
Okay.
sinabing, virtus in medio.
Anong ibig sabihin nun?
Ang virtue, anong tama, anong angkop ay huwag masyadong mag-i-extreme either way.
Okay.
In medyo lang.
Medyo.
Anyway,
Kaya lang sa atin, walang medyo.
kaya nga eh.
Okay.
Anyway, so didiscusin natin ang bulk mo ng communitarianism kasi malamang ho,
Bago.
hindi masyado napapag-usapan sa
Yes.
Pilipinas, even
Yes.
among the political activists, even among the
Yes.
political professors,
Hindi.
and definitely sa media, walang masyado.
Yes.
Pero yung psikolohiyang Pilipino, mahalaga iling at keyword yan, kapwa at bayanihan.
Okay, let's
So,
go with it.
Pero before that, may isa ko naisip eh.
Ano?
Minsan ako yung nag-lecture and na-realize ko sa atin, mga activists, may tension between two concepts. Komunidad at
And?
kilusan.
Okay.
Kilusan normally across communities, kumikilos normally national pa.
Oh.
While komunidad, ang thinking natin lagi local, no? Hindi pa. Although the nation is also considered a community, pero medyo komplikado.
Eh, may economy of scale naman dyan.
Ama.
Di ba? May mga, katulad sa, are we talking only of the barangay level?
Correct. Or the town.
Or the town?
Or even the city.
Hindi urbanized.
Or even the province.
Okay.
What about the Philippines as
a nation?
As a national community?
Okay.
Anyway.
Exciting ba yan?
Yan ang pasakay. Ewan ko, depende sa mga tanong mo. Let's go to the first slide, which is, I pick it up lang po from the, saan ko ba nakuha yan?
From Edzioni.
Wikipedia yan. Hindi. Ano? I got this from Encyclopedia Britannica.
Okay. We credit ho and we cite where we found it.
Pero yung entry na yon, ang sumulat is one of the known communitarian.
Si Amitai.
Who is Amitai Etzioni.
Okay.
Na Jewish, born in Germany, nagpunta sa Israel, tapos pumunta sa Amerika. And he wrote a lot of books on communitarianism. Unfortunately, last year, he died. Anyway, let's look at it. So, it's a social muna, hindi political. Social philosophy muna. Pero also political philosophy. What does it do? It emphasizes the importance of community in the functioning of political life. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka lang individual voter o individual parties o kandidato. Mahalaga yung papel ng community sa political life.
Commune.
In the analysis and evaluation of political institutions. Sa current ngayon natin, lalo na sa Galing Pook, we always talk of people's participation. Pero hindi pa isa-isa, kundi grupo-grupo.
Amitai Etzioni was an Israeli person. Was he ever part of the kibbutz? Was it part of his development of a philosophy because he was a member of the kibbutz in Israel?
Hindi ko nabasa yun eh. We'll have to ask. But he's dead already.
Hindi. Most probably.
Most probably kasi kung ano siya eh, may immigrant from Germany or somewhere, no? Pero pangalawa, yung social philosophy, kasi nga understanding human identity and well-being, kaya related na nga yan sa ang tao ba ay parang halos self-contained individual or integral, tulad ng sinasabi ng communitarianism, yung identity natin mismo, malaki ang papel ng komunidad na where we belong to. So yan ho ang first parang formal description, definition ng communitarianism from encyclopedia written by one of those associated. We'll talk some more about him later, Amitai Etzioni. Now, let us go to the next item. Ito, interesting, nakuha ko lang sa computer. Yung me at we.
Okay.
Now, ang point is, bakit ba lumabas yung communitarianism na yan? Well, as it came out initially, nagre-react sila sa masyadong individualistic na culture na develop sa West at sa North. Sabi ko nga na, when the market is dominant, tapos nawala na mga, bilang umalis na sa rural, kahit pagpunta sa urban, baka wala nang komunidad kundi kanya-kanya kasi kaya very strong. Pero hindi lamang reality, may dominate yung philosophy ng individualism. Tulad ng binanggit mo, it's a reaction asserting individual human rights. Let's say, for example, oppressive dictatorship or oppressive market. To some extent, sa Pilipinas, kahit tayo apektado pa and can be described with sikuluyang Pilipino, yung mga nag-resist sa martial law tulad natin, na-assert yung individual initiative, individual human rights, kahit kasali mo yung iba. On the other hand, may tradisyon naman na kritik ng kapitalismo, ng sosyalismo, pero ang initial model noon sa Soviet model, although later na modify ng China, collective, and hindi lang collective na maliliit, kundi the state representing lahat. Kaya naging extreme, no? Yung sinabi ko nga, very individualistic, kanya-kanya, collectivism naman, hindi ka pwedeng magsarili, kailangan lahat ay kasama ka sa hindi lamang local community mo or factory, kundi sa kabuuang patakaran ng Estado. Kaya may nagsulat na sabi na, okay, that's one issue, pero tingnan rin natin kasi pwede namang collective pero egalitarian. Bilang pag-kooperatiba, no? Pero pwede rin namang authoritarian, no? The same thing, pwedeng individualistic pero dahil kanya-kanya kailangan ng diktador dahil masyadong walang disiplina, ay ganon. Kaya it's a different issue. Hindi doon nakatutok ang communitarianism, mas dito pa sa individualism versus collectivism. Pero may angle dyan na related sa atin. Kasi tayo naman, we come of tradition, ayaw natin ng authoritarian culture. Not just with the existing system, but even in a movement for change. Ayaw natin yung parang the left tradition kuminsan na democratic centralism, na puro centralism, kulang ang demokrasya. So the whole issue po of communitarianism it's trying to find a way to avoid the excess of individualism and collectivism, and it still represents a longing and preference for equality and freedom. Na contradiction sabi parang maging equal, mukhang kailangan ng disiplina, pero pag naman, may freedom, baka magkanya-kanya. So, ganon. So, yun ang two key ideas sa panibula nating discussion of what is communitarianism. At ang tatanong natin, yung ba mga ginagawa natin ngayon at patutunguhan natin, pwede bang gamitin ang salitang communitarian sa ating sensibilidad, sa ating pag-iisip, sa ating perspective? Let us go to the next. Interesting ito. Hindi iisa ang communitarian. May variety yan.
No? Okay. May conservative.
May radical din. Sinabi nga nung ilang writings, you could say as early as the New Testament in the Acts of the Apostles where people came together and shared everything in common. Mga ganon. But later, even sina Marx and Engels, when they say, no, the development of one cannot happen without the development of all. So may tendency, kaya may radical socialist tradition, except they never used communitarianism. They use socialism or they use communism, ganon, no? O sa Pilipinas, sasabihin national democracy. On the other hand, traditionally, may ano naman talaga, traditional societies, yung tribo, o very pero kung minsan, napaka ano naman, suffocating, ano? To the point na ina-arrange ang wedding mo. Hindi ka pwedeng umalma sa so
Really?
and
Okay.
and in the debate noon about democracy and development, there were some people who started talking Asian values. Na ang Asian raw, we would prefer to develop the whole society and community and willing to sacrifice individual liberties and freedom. Yun ang sasabihin like conservative o total, sasabihin pa lang Asian, Confucian, mga ganon-ganon. Sina Amitay, nag-develop sila ng tawag nila responsive communitarianism na binavalue pati pa rin ang individual liberty and decisions pero hindi to the point na nakaalagwa at hindi binibigyan ng hindi lamang equal kundi actually medyo mas inclined na bigyan ng greater role ang community. At ang ginagamit na keyword yan, the common good. Na hindi pwedeng i-define lang by by survey o kanya-kanya. Ang common good, kailangan magdebate-bate. There has some authority, some government. Ito ang common good natin. So tingnan natin rito, hindi ito tungkol sa socialism at capitalism. It's about social and political philosophy, hindi socio-economic eh. So communitarianism sa isang end, sa baba individualism, ang gitna either centrism or what they call maybe responsive communitarianism, meaning mas malapit doon, hindi naman eksaktong sentro-sentro. Tapos merong leftism associated with socialism, anti-capitalism, at sa kabila naman, ayun, mas rightism, it tend to be capitalist ang orientation. At tinatingnan may cultural focus on individual versus cultural focus on community at may economic focus on the community versus the individual. Interesting attempt to locate kasi nga ang tanong ikaw kung tatanong ka if we had to locate ourselves somewhere there, nasaan tayo?
Patungo dun sa pataas sa communitarianism.
Mas dito sa communitarian may pagka-left pero medyo pa towards the center. Parang gano'n, no? Tayo.
Kasi nga we could never be part of the corporate and elite world. Kasi yung values natin, lumaki tayo sa probinsya at very close ang family ties natin. Lumaki tayo na, yun nga, hindi highly urbanized areas. Tapos, kilala natin lahat ng mga kamag-anak, kapitbahay. We had our own small communities. We would go to school together. We would go to church together. Our parents would be members of community civic clubs, no? Pare-pareho.
Kahit no ikay teenager and getting older,
Yes.
hindi ka nagre-rebelding
Hindi
track
pa.
your own individual path.
Wala.
Walang ganon.
Wala. Kasi parang everybody was clear na whatever our parents and our communities, yung neighborhood, wherever they feel comfortable with, at saka dun sa schools, magkakasama rin ang mga parents namin, ikaw rin, kasi nga, we grew up in communities that were cohesive, no?
Okay.
Wala kang nakikitang anomy or alienation kasi you
Anomy,
belong.
salita yung anomy. Anong ibig sabihin ng anomy? Walang norms, walang nomos, walang law. Kanya-kanya, bahala na.
Hindi. From
May,
the very start.
kasi nga yun ang point ng tension sa community. It can be liberating, nurturing, but it can also be oppressive pag mali-mali yung habits and all that.
Yeah.
Pero worse is anomy nga na, kanya-kanya na, mahirap talaga. So yan ang initial reflection ni Girlie tungkol sa communitarianism. Ang tanong namin kanina, bakit We never
Ah,
met the word when we were studying
kasi
politics. Ours is not them, sock them, later
Oo.
naging pop them.
Kasi
Socialism,
from
communism, capitalism, feudalism, ganun.
na-inform muna tayo ng mga historical writings ni na Constantino,
Oh.
ni na Agoncillo. Ah, ako, from the university, there was never mention of communitarianism.
And yet, matagal-tagal na yan. Ang ginawa ko,
Oh.
nag-research ako dun sa mga websites na ang focus ay popular education, non-formal education, para how they would explain communitarianism. Kasi pag binasa mo yung mas academic journals, ay masalimuot, no? So, punta tayo ngayon sa next description, definition ng communitarianism galing sa infed.org. Yan ho ang website on pedagogy and informal education.
Okay.
At ang sumulat naman ay si Robert Longley. Anyway, interesting ho ang sinulat niya. And you can look at it ho when you Google infed. Communitarianism, so ganun rin sabi na, socio-political, no? Hindi socio-economic. Kasi socio-political rin ang socialism, capitalism, but primarily ang lakas ng economic. Ito, mainly socio-political. Ito na pinasok niya yung sinabi ko. Rather than individualism versus collectivism, what is a common good? Kasi community must have a common shared, ito ang gusto na, ito ang mabuti, ito ang tama. Pero interesting yan because you can always have individual choices. You can have contrarians. Yung, ano mang gusto nyo, ibang gusto ko. In that sense, may tendency nga na baka mamaya may authoritarian tendency yung communitarian dahil yung mga pumapalag, nagkakanya-kanya, hoy, suheto ka, balik ka rito. So, forced to choose, may bias ang communitarianism sa common good over the needs and rights of individuals. And it can be misused by would-be dictators. You could say that even Duterte was an authoritarian version of communitarianism. Sabi nga niya, I am not for human rights, I am for human lives. Yung community, isa-save ko ang Davao, isa-save ko ang Pilipinas laban sa mga kriminal, mga drug addicts. Ngayon pumatay sila, problema nila yan. May ganung tendency. At mag-cheer yung iba unless sila na ang natatamaan. Anyway, in placing the interests of society over those of individual citizens, opposite ang communitarianism sa liberalism. Its proponents are called communitarians. We object to extreme individualism and unchecked laissez-faire capitalism. Pero bago niya natin banatan yung liberalism and its excess, it played a very positive role historically. Kasi nga dati, monarchy, church, and even freedom to think and science medyo restrained, censorship. So the whole idea of Renaissance, liberal thinking was seen as, kaya liberally, to free the person from the constraint. Pero yun na nga, it went to the other extreme naman na, sige na, kahit free. So the individual. Ngayon, binanggit rito, and that we will go a little bit, konting history, pero tatlo lang ito. Sabi nga, by earlier, mga 1870 yata yung unang gumamit ng salita, pero hindi naman na-develop bilang doktrina or filosofiya. He decided, I don't know why, we'll just follow him. Robert Longley says, 20th century political philosophers and social activists, hindi lang thinkers. And binanggit niya, Ferdinand Tonis, o Tonis, hindi ko alam, Amitai Etzioni, at si Dorothy Day. So let us look at those three. Mabilisan lang po. Interesting dalawang German, pero isang European, ang Israeli, at ang isa naman na Amerikana na aktivista.
Pero yung si Amitai Etzioni, Hebrew ano siya, Jewish siya.
Oo, na kaya nga
Na
ibang pangalan nung German, nagbago mismo siya ng
ano
pangalan.
yung pen name niya yung Etzioni.
Okay.
Hindi yan talaga pangalan niya. Werner ata siya.
Yeah, okay. Let's start with Tonis.
Okay. Who you? Magpakilala ka.
Matututo tayo ng dalawang German word. Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft.
Okay.
Anyway, una muna, sino itong si Ferdinand Tonis? Tonis, awa ko yun. Tanda na, 1855, namatay 1936. Sociologist, economist, siya lang ang nag-pioneer study ng communitarianism. Ang tawag ay seminal essay, yung talagang seed. Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft.
Siya pala ang father ng German sociology.
Correct.
Okay.
Society for Sociology. Pero ano
Anti-Nazi.
Anti-Nazi, kaya pinatalsik sa... Pero ang interesting, we would think that pag Gemeinschaft, maganda. Pero sinabi rin niya, pwedeng individuals living in a nurturing community, pero pwedeng oppressed. Sabi ko, pwedeng magulang, tribo, hindi ba? Talagang tinutulungan. Pero susunod ka sa sa
the role of the father.
Or yung kagawian, bawa, kaya nga problema, alam natin yan, most IPs, mahirap maging gay. Mga ganun eh. Tapos inisip niya dati, pag makakaalis ka doon, pupunta ka sa more developed market, industrial society, libre ka na. So, at one level, impersonal but liberating. Yan ang interesting contradiction. Because yung impersonal can also be oppressive. At yun namang oppression ng smaller community but can nurture. Interesting ka. Timo, community and society. Mamaya inilagay ko na ano ang diferensya ng komunidad or sa Bisaya ay katilingban, like smaller communities, at lipunan, yung malaki. No? So remember po,
ang lalim naman.
Gemeinschaft, Gesellschaft. At least may dalawa tayong
German terms.
German. Ang Gemein yung talagang personal, yung kilala, ganon. Pero ang Gesellschaft may may mediated na, kaya mga rules, ganon, impersonal, no? So, yan ho ang, honor to him. He gave us two words which up to now
are still
being used, and pag nabanggit mo yan, majority will say, ano yun?
Okay.
Okay, that is Tonis.
Whatever you can pronounce
Ang susunod na si, ayan, Amitai Etzioni. Sumalangit nawa ang kaluluwa niya. Namatay siya Mayo lang last year po. Hindi naman siguro COVID. So, German-born, Israeli, American sociologist, best known for his work on the impacts of communitarianism on socio-economics pati.
Pero may nabasa ako dun sa Wikipedia na si Amitai, naging member siya ng underground armed movement against the British.
So medyo may ano pala.
Meron siyang experience nung bata
resistance.
pa siya kasi ang tatay niya ay naging parte ng military. Pero habang lumalaki siya, nakikita nga niya, parang may problema dito. So, naging member siya ng isang underground unit. Pero nagsimula na siyang mag-isip tungkol dito. 15 years old pa lang siya.
Talaga?
So, may mga naiisip na talaga siya na, kasi nga yung experience nila sa Nazi Germany.
Tapos yung kasi masyadong collectivist, ano?
Tumira siya for a time in Palestine.
Well, Israeli is in Palestine.
Yeah. Pero later, nag-migrate na siya sa US.
At doon siya sumikat because nagturo, was in the university, published halos 30 books.
Tayo ng communitarian
network. At more than 30 books.
Imagine, gano'n siya ka-prolific.
Active society. Gawa kaya tayo ng isang libro tungkol sa communitarian.
Sige.
Okay.
In Filipino o in English?
Ay, yun nga ang question. Paano natin ipopularize, no?
Okay.
Including,
Gagawa tayo ng 101 or
oh,
for early beginners.
mm,
Communitarianism. Gemeinschaft.
kaya pwedeng tanongin,
Oh.
ano ang tawag mo sa sarili? I am a communitarian. Pwede ba yun?
Okay. Ano sa siklo yung Pilipino yan?
Saka na natin pag-usapan.
Okay. Okay. Oo nga, kasi 7:30.
Yung whole by
na.
balancing individual
May 20
rights
minutes
with
pa tayo.
responsibilities to
Okay,
the
okay,
community.
okay.
Ay, very appealing yung concept na
Oo
yun.
nga, ako din.
Don't you think?
Yes.
It's a nice,
It's different from being a political party.
no?
Okay. But you can have a political party
Oh, yeah.
formation within
There
a
are
community.
there are political parties who say they are communitarians. Pero they cannot say kami na lang. No? Unlike yung labanan dati who is really left, who is really right.
Pwede kaya tayo magtayo ng party list na communitarians?
Pwede.
Thinking ahead. Okay. Next, 7:31 na.
Relax ka lang.
Oh, si
Eto ang
Dorothy,
interesting. Babalik
Ah,
tayo. Kaya nga, journalist, activist, anarchist. Pero mo, nagsimula siya hindi agad pagsusulat, kundi nag-establish ng Catholic Worker Movement. Si co-founded.
Masikat.
Isipin mo, ay, mali na.
Oh.
November 87, ano yata yan? 1917 yata. 27. Sorry ho, mali ang o 1933. Pero ang point is, 40 years siya ang editor ng kanilang newspaper na Catholic Worker. Kaya marami siyang sinulat. So marami siyang ginawa. Marami rin niyang sinulat. No? At yung ang ganyan, sinabi niya, ang tawag naman niya, compassionate communitarianism.
Okay.
Kung kay Amitay ay responsive, siya ay compassionate. Pero interesting ito, no? Ang communitarianism, may teolohiya siya. Di ba may concept tayo? The mystical body of Christ. Lahat tayo ay member ng
Jesus Christ.
Naman bride. Paano kami?
The group.
Pero ang whole point nga, we are warfare. Tinawag ang communitarian revolution to oppose the rugged individualism of the capitalist era and the collectivism of the communist revolution.
So talagang naging anarchist siya.
Neither human existence or individual liberty can be sustained for long outside the interdependent and overlapping communities. Overlapping. In other words, hindi lang isa, may iba-ibang communities you belong to. You belong to the workers movement, baka may urban poor, o may mga student movement, ganun. Ang interesting at gusto kong balikan, kasi may nabasa ako isang article na dito. Ang tanong, yung Catholic social teachings ba, malakas ba ang communitarian streak dyan? In the way you understood it. Kasi kami ho pareho ni Girlie, ang unang sabihin nating social and political activist involvement natin is through the Federation of Free Farmers na gumagamit ng Catholic social teaching at yung kabataan naman ay Kiro movement. No? Kaya kilosang Kiro at ang Kiro ay yung P na R sa Greek at sa Kiro. So ang point na sa atin ba, hindi lang tayo nagtatanong, left pa ba tayo? Ano tayo? Yung influence pa rin ng understanding natin ng Christian faith at Christian teaching, palagay mo, may effect, nandyan pa rin ba yan sa loob mo at yan ba'y it tends to bring you closer to being more communitarian than being libertarian. Kasi we can also be libertarian. Yung, basta, I will do my part, contribute to the whole world, whatever ako, but don't define me through a collective, through an organization, through an institution. Yun ang extreme eh. Pero yung other, no, we want to be part of a group, a community, a movement, a network. Sa iyo ba, ganun ang tendency? At may epekto ba yung konsepto mo ng natutunan mo nun about Catholic social teaching, if at all? Ano yan? Talaga?
Minom ka muna ng tubig kasi kalag.
Sige.
balik muna tayo kay Dorothy Day. Kasi dito, hindi lang sinabi na feminist din siya. Kasi she
talaga?
fought for women's right to vote, suffrage. Siya yung nagde-demonstrate nun sa harap ng White House. Nung
Galing.
film na yon, meron
Talaga?
silang, oo. So she was part, hindi lang nung nung Catholic workers movement, but she was also very much part of the feminist movement sa US.
Okay, very good Pero yun na nga, you see, yung usapin ng communitarian
Yeah.
versus libertarian. When you say we have an institution na patriarchal, dominated by not only men but values na ganyan. Kaya ano rin may tension yung communitarianism. Kaya in her case, compassionate or responsive. Pero ayun na nga, ang tanong is that the perception ngayon o image na napoproject ng even the activist church sa Pilipinas? Or masyadong political in the saging irerentag ka or left kasi human rights or nandun pa ba yun na ginagawa ni na Flavi at iba na caring for the homeless, caring for the victims, ganon. Or organizing farmers, organizing urban poor, organizing women workers. Hindi, ano?
Wala. Parang kaiba na yung ginagawa ng karamihan sa kanila. Iba pa rin yung mga ginagawa ni na Father Flavi. Anyway, pero balik na muna tayo. Anong relevance ng communitarianism sa psikolohiyang Pilipino?
Relax ka lang. Malapit na tayo.
Kasi pa
Relax.
7:38
Yeah, ito muna,
na.
itong transition.
Okay.
Sabi ko nga, nung ako'y nag-research, di ba sinabi ko sa'yo, nung 1990s pala, ang initial upsurge at heyday na debate in the US and parts of Europe on communitarianism because they critique nga yung extreme left, extreme right, and the individualistic. Sabi ko, bakit we never thought of it? And yet, ang binanggit nila noon sa research ko, that was the time in the 90s na tumingkad yung labanan, hindi na lamang state versus market, yung either parang welfare state versus laissez-faire, kundi lumabas yung they call the third sector, civil society. Nasa Pilipinas, it emerged around the same time kasi nung martial law and immediately after, ang atin ay mass movement, NGO, PO. We were not using the term civil society.
No.
Diba? So, kalaban ng state, people, resistance, at market, ano naman natin ayaw ng capitalism. Pero, yung pala, whether Democrats or Republicans, whether liberals like sina Obama, sina Clinton, ganun, or conservatives like the Bush and others, they were debating over, but they all wanted to use the term communitarian.
Hindi nga natin.
Bakit hindi
we
natin?
never came across those debates.
Bakit nga ba?
I don't know. I really cannot explain. I thought we were well read. I thought we were connected to people who read more literature and are abreast of what's happening in the US or other.
Even Europe, when we were in Europe, walang nagsasabi ng communitarian. It's either socialist, social democrat.
Ibig sabihin, medyo the left movement or part of those circles where we were part of, hindi nila nahagip yan.
Kasi nga, meron rin conservative variety of baka
ang insistent nun was that dapat alam mo yung Marxist mo, yung nabasa mo na si Mao Zedong, lahat ng nangyayari sa mga left radical parties in Europe, aware ka. Kasi did you ever hear that from the African National Congress? No. Did you hear that from the Central American movements? No. I mean, we were abreast of current events, but we never came across communitarianism.
Kaya nga eh.
Parang nalaglag dun sa
Or we can say, mahina yung mga communitarian na nag-propagate ng ideas nila. Pero hindi kasi. So anyway, ang nakita ko sa Pilipinas, mula 90s, no, nag-emerge naman na talaga na parang bumida na ang civil society na sinasabing, ang state,
CSO.
masyadong ano yan, power, market profit, while civil society, parang tayo ang moral bearer ng values.
Duty bearers.
Parang ang idea na ano, yung isa is private for public good. Parang ganun eh. Nung even sa galing po ako ni Verdiscan, sabi ko, kasi CSO ngayon, CSO, everyone talks of CSO. Sabi ko, I have a criticism na ang paggamit ng civil society na na-replace o tawag ko, na-colonize ang dalawang mahalagang C pa rin. Citizens, kasi pag civil society, iniisip organized kayo, may staff pa. At loud ang voice mo, advocates, hindi ba? Represented pa sa dialogue. And more important sa ilalim, the communities, hindi masyado. Lalo sa national level, hindi community participant yan, NGOs, alliances, networks. Of course, for the market, ang tingin sa tao, primarily consumer yan o workers.
Let's focus. If we are going to make ourselves part of that communitarian network, how will we engage other people? Ano ang operational niyan? Kasi iba-ibang scale yan, no? May level sa, is it a wider community? Are you going to have a movement of communities? Are we going to even contemplate on party building of communities? Kasi ando na ako sa operations.
Ang element na pumasok also in the 90s in the Philippines na nandun ang seed ng communitarianism is local governance.
Okay.
Kasi pag national issues tapos national alliance advocacies, ang layo sa communities. No? I remember, siya ba nagsabi?
Visits mo sa mga nung validation or ng galing pook. No? Yung concept mismo ng galing pook.
Pook eh. Place, lugar.
It's very
bansa,
much part of communitarianism. Diba?
Kasi nga ang sabi, community, there is of course intentional community. You can even have digital community. But the original is may lugar, may pook.
Ayun nga.
Kaya nga ang tawag sa Tagalog, pamayanan. Mamamayan, residents. Residents.
So, pag isinali natin sa vernacular, sa Pilipino, sa Tagalog, ano ang magiging yan? Tayo ay pamamayan. Nakakaano yung syllables.
Hindi, parang
namamayani.
Parang slogan ng galing po. Ang mamayan, ang mamamayani. Mamamayani. Empowerment of the citizens.
Ako, ang iniisip ko nga, let's have all these conversations with Galing Pook members.
Correct.
Na other than just looking at local governments and all these awardees, all these LGUs, parang let's look na how do we make it operational and how do we make people understand that we are part of that community, the G-Mind Shop at a larger scale.
G-Mind Shop at Giselle Shop.
Giselle Shop. Okay. What's the hybrid of G-Mind Shop and Giselle Shop in German?
Gemeinsel Shop.
Hindi pa natin na-discuss anong connection sa psikolohiya.
Ayun na, from here, lipat na tayo ngayon.
Kasi 7:44 na.
Relax ka lang.
Hindi.
Ayan, nakuha ko.
Yan?
Gawa ito ng Psikolohiyang Pilipino sa isang conference. Logo, cute Kasi ang Psikolohiya Pilipino, SP. And actually, sabi nga na misnomer na. Kasi pag psikolohiya, remember, ang communitarianism, social, political. Hindi naman sinabing psychological. Kaya sabi lang, sorry na lang, ginagamit yan. Pero right now, so Psikolohiya Pilipino is already multidisciplinary. It includes sociology, it includes politics, it includes economics. Pero ang pangalan is Psikolohiyang Pilipino. But mahalaga yon because yung usapin ng ano ang pagtingin natin sa pagkatao natin. Tayo ba'y individualistic,
Hindi.
self-contained,
Hindi.
or tayo'y part ng isang
Bahagi ng isang
pamayanan?
pamayanan. Kaya nga, laging merong nakakabit sa pagiging tao, kapwa-tao.
Okay. So sa mga hindi pa po
Mm.
masyadong familiar dito, gusto lang nating acknowledge sa Pilipinas, ang Psikolohiyang Pilipino as a school of thought, no? We must acknowledge talagang ang nag-pioneer naman diyan
Si
ay si Ber
Virgilio.
Enriquez. Kasi sabi nga niya, nag-aral siya abroad, parang kulang yung pag-theorize ng Pilipinas. Humihiram lagi tayo ng ideas from abroad. Kaya maliban sa nag-research siya, nanaliksik, ang magaling sa kanya, pinromote talaga niya yung ideas, which is what we should do also. It can
Okay.
start simply with maging kasama ng bokabularyo, maging kasama ng debate, but right pag-usapan.
Ikaw nga yun. Dapat nagsusulat ka. Right.
Okay.
Sulat dito, sulat doon.
Akala gusto natin left. Hindi na right. Anyway,
Joking mo yun, joke.
so ang mahalaga nga po, ito, yung susunod, binanggit ni Gail. Komunidad, as we usually think of it, is Gemeinschaft. Hindi ba? Kilala mo, individual, either kamag-anak, kapitbahay,
Asawa, anak, kapatid.
pero lipunan, medyo may pagka-abstract na, no? Kaya si Marcos, bagong lipunan. Bagong
Di ba
Pilipinas.
yung mga advertisements na mga corporate media, kapuso.
Kaya kapuso, kapatid,
kapatid.
kapamilya. Mas
Laging
we can
may
relate
ka.
eh. So ang ideya, which I think we could say, pumasok na sa global discourse yan. Yung point na ang pagkataong Pilipino ay kombinasyon ng loob at kapwa. So may loob. In other words, hindi naman reduce ka sa relasyon mo kung kani-kanino. Di wala ka ng sino ka. Pero hindi rin pwedeng merong ikaw na hindi kasama yung sino ang iyong kaibigan, sino yung kamag-anak, sino yung inyong mga even yung kaaway mo. Because, so,
Kaaway nga, may ka pa rin eh.
pangarap,
Oh.
kapuso, kamag-anak, kaibigan, kasama, katrabaho, kapanalig,
Kadiwa.
pwede rin, kadiwa. So, ang tanong ngayon kung ganito ang core pag-unawa, shall we say then that ang Filipino thinking in the main, there will always be exceptions. Whether nasa rural, whether IP ka or lowlander, at whether urbanized ka, malaki pa rin ang papel ng kanino ka kasali, sino ang katropa mo, sino ang kagrupo mo, sino ang kakosa mo, kahit sa bilangguan. Palagay mo, shall we say then, boldly, that there are strong communitarian elements in Filipino thinking, feeling, and even as articulated sa Psikolohiyang Pilipino.
Yes. Pero iba-ibang levels yan. Kasi halimbawa, yung mga katutubo, ano ang level na pagtingin natin sa kanila, kapwa ba natin sila?
Sabi nga nila, sa mga Aita na lang, kami ang pulot, kayo ang unat. Pero iba, yun ay kung lola. Pero at the same time, pwede magkasama naman tayo na kapwa Pilipino. Kasi kahit sinatubag, sabi la, sa West Philippine Sea, bagamat malayo kami, upland kami, hindi kami coastal. Sali kami diyan sapagkat ang nakaka-identify sila na issue rin 'yan ng mga katutubo. Tulad ng mga katutubo galing sa Bagabac, Palawan, sumakay doon sa aming Christmas uh, gift sabi sali kami yan. Bakit? Kasi mas kayo pinapakinggan, kami may issue ron. Inaagaw yung aming lupa. Kaya dapat mapakinggan iba. Ganun rin yung nasa Kaliwadam na IP na di-display. Sumasali sila sa issue even ng atin ito sa West Philippine Sea dahil may sense of solidarity but also may sense na yung ibang sectors, yung ibang grupo, mas pinapakinggan at mas kilala at kinikilala. Kaya gusto nila, isama naman nyo kami at sasama rin kami. So, may idea talaga ng communitarian, may expanding scale, At yun ang nakita kong challenge sa Psikolohiya Pilipino. Sabi ko nga, have you read anything na very specific na political science na Psikolohiya Pilipino? Kasi nga, yung Gesellschaft problema natin. Pag yung mindship, maraming alam tayo. Ang kiliti ng voters, ang skills ng mga politicians, paano. Pero yung mga medyo abstract ng konti, including yung discussion na, alam ko, sino ba yun? Lakas ng masa ba yung sinabing they attempted na, kasi ang sosyalismo, kapitalismo, nilagyan nilang bayanihan sosyalismo. Parang nilalagyan nila ng Philippine flavor, Kasi nga, pag hindi mo na-incarnate in theological terms, ang anumang ismo, mahihirapan. Which, by the way, just to show you yung danger naman, noong panahon ng martial law, si Ber Enriquez nagtuturo na ng Psikolohiya Pilipino and sina Zeus Salazar talking of pantayong, yung tayo. Ginamit yun ng iba na sabi, capitalism, imperialism, socialism, parehong foreign yan. Dapat maroon tayong sarili. Kaya yung mga iba sabi, dapat may ideolohiyang Pilipino. Ang problema, ang interpretasyon ng ideolohiyang Pilipino, authoritarian.
Oo nga.
Di ba? Kaya sinabi ko may danger rin ang communitarianism will be misused.
Parang naalala ko ba yung sinulat ni na Onofre Corpus?
Ganun. May pagkaganon.
May pagkaganon na
criticizing yung Western liberal thought, stress on human rights, stress on due process versus the interest ng bansa, not only in terms of development but security. May ganun. Kaya kailangan lagyan siguro ng adjective ang pagiging communitarian. Shall we say we are left communitarian? Democratic communitarian? Responsive communitarian? Awan ko.
Maghanap pa rin tayo sa Pilipinas sa mas angkop kasi kung magsimula muna tayo sa mother tongues, yung mga dialect ng mga iba't ibang rehiyon. Kasi pag pumasok ka na diyan sa English, hindi pa rin masyado nating natutukoy ano ba ibig sabihin ng pagiging communitarianism on the left spectrum or whatever people associate with the words. Kasi importante rin, sabi mo nga, it has to be a living word.
Yeah.
Anong magiging effect niyan sa mga Gen Z, sa mga millennials, sa mga seniors? Kasi nga, sabihin nila, yan na naman yung mga yan, kung ano-ano namang mga terminolohiya. Pero pag binaba mo at inugat mo sa panganiniwala ng mga tao, ano ba yan?
For example, yung trabaho na lang namin sa PRRM, ano ang mantra na pinormulate ni Nagani nun? Building sustainable community. And what they mean is local. Kaya sabi sa literature rin ng communitarianism, ang critique naman sa communitarian, baka mamaya maging relativist. Kasi kanya-kanyang community, baka magkaroon ng iba-ibang values. Pero sa tingin ko, ang positive side compared to the left tradition na gusto mong makonsolidate, magsama-sama, unified, yung idea ng maging pluralist, which I am picking up ha.
Yeah.
They don't talk of communitarian, but for example, sa Polpil,
Okay.
sa Bunyog,
Okay.
I think even sa Akbayan,
Okay.
parang idea nila, hindi na yung model na isang partido hawak ng estado, tapos siya ang mag-i-integrate ng buong bansa for a progressive nakita hindi pwedeng isa lamang partido ang hahawak niyan. Kaya palagay ko yung idea ng pluralismo, bagamat hindi specifically related to communitarianism, is more sa atin yung PAPDEM, ganon, the need for alliances, recognizes that there is no one big homogeneous community.
Okay.
There are communities.
Okay.
And therefore, kailangang
dahil malapit na po ang 8 o'clock, 5
Okay.
minutes na lang.
Okay.
Can we summarize muna how we are learning? Kasi kami ho, it's not too late to learn about new social and political philosophies.
At saka nga ang punto na
Habang nagdi-discuss po tayo, parang lalo kong nakikita, galing pook yan.
tama.
Mas maganda yung term na magagaling na pook.
Kaya, so back tayo sa ating title. Ang lumalabas, lalo na ngayon, election season na eh. People think immediately yung partidong makakakuha ng pwesto.
Yes.
Now, may mga iba na tayo support, pero wala ba tayong magagawa na politically significant? Hindi lamang electing a mayor or a senator, kundi building the power.
Magpalaganap ng pagmumulat sa mas maayos na pagtingin sa kanilang kakayahan.
Hindi, saka yung idea natin na non-state expressions of people power.
Okay.
Di ba? Hindi natin People's Council.
Okay.
At saka even cooperatives.
Okay, to People's Council nga dun sa
Communitarian.
Ganon.
Ang the good news is, kahit paano, even the government, sisit, may memorandum circular na ang DILG to encourage the creation of People's Councils. So palagay ko, kahit paano ang Pilipinas naman, hindi naman atras na atras, kundi nag-i-explore lang, except ang tingin dyan, parang pandagdag yan, pero hindi yan isang central.
Sioni at ako magiging si Dorothy Day.
Okay.
Another version, pero not completely like them. Kasi syempre may distinct aura ang pagiging Pinoy natin. Kaya on that note, simula ngayon, sana maintindihan natin na communitarianism ay hindi katulad ng ibang ismo. Hindi siya ismo.
It's just a label that tries to parang umbrella to capture yung initiative ng mga citizens na hindi lamang ayuda-ayuda at hindi lang maghihintay ng isang magbibigay at hahawak ng estado, kundi mag-i-initiative na kumilos, magtulungan at hindi lang yun, kundi also raise our voices at influensyahan yung nasa kapag. Because communitarianism is not anti-state or anti-market. Okay. Sabi nga nila, strictly speaking, hindi siya socialist eh. Because even the market, there are people who are capitalist by ideology who see the need for the value of stakeholders. May stakeholders rin, no? Yun ang attempt noon ni na Tony Blair when they tried the so-called New Labor. How to have, including, for example,
so tayo New Left.
Well, I don't know. Pero isang slogan nga, kasi normally pag left, even not just left, but progressive, is human rights, your rights, karapatan, right, rights-based development. Okay. Ang slogan nun ng communitarian is, no rights without responsibilities.
Okay.
While yung mga authoritarian naman, responsibilities muna. Or ito ang kung may right ka, but you also be responsible. Kaya responsive communitarianism. Kaya tama ka.
8 o'clock.
Talaga naman kahit paano
Sana naintindihan ho ninyo ang aming mga pagmumuni-muni at aming mga talakayan kasi sa totoo lang, na-excite po kami dito sa pagiging communitarian. Yan.
Kami ho'y talagang very personal at existential sa amin. Ano ang itatawag sa aming sarili?
Yes.
Maliban sa makabayang Pilipino.
Or makatao. Or
Pero kung sa diskurso ng mga
mapagkanta,
diskurso ng mga
makapuso.
doktrina at teorya, tinitingnan na we're exploring ngayon, mukhang yung communitarian school of
Yeah.
thought is promising. Sabi naman promising lang naman eh.
Yes.
But we must Filipinize it. At may
Yes.
bias pa rin ho kami sa equity, transformative na nasa left tradition. Kaya dyan po nagtatapos
ang aming mga learning for tonight. At sana
Senior
po,
City kwentuhan talaga. Sana po ay kahit paano ay na-stimulate, na kiliti ang iyong pag-iisip kasi naghahanap rin tayo ng bagong ideyang hindi naman bagong-bago kundi nandyan na pero hahagilapin natin, i-apply natin sa ating ginagawa sapagkat nakakailangan rin tayo ng fresh ideas that mirror and capture yung ating spirit at ating temper, which I think is closer sa mga ibang ayaw magkandidato, ano, kundi pero gustong kumilos publicly. Yan ang communitarians.
okay.
And on that note, maraming salamat po sa
Maraming
inyong
salamat.
pakikinig. Maraming salamat, Girlie, sa iyong pangungulit. Sa promise mo, ikaw ay
Okay.
magiging Filipina version of Dorothy Day.
Siguro
Hindi
ako
si
ay-
Doris Day.
Okay.
Sige na po. Bago mapatawa pa, magpapasalamat po tayo sa ating faithful sponsors, Education
Yes.
Network, Philippines Senior sa panahon ng COVID, Lapis Siso Channel at Philippine Rural Reconstruction Movement, and of course, our techie, JM. I hope you understand a bit pinag-usapan namin communitarian, including what about digital communities? Iba pa yan. In the future, pag-usapan po natin.
Very interesting. The digital communities.
Okay po.
Okay.
So marami pong salamat. Dito po nagtatapos kami. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. We hope you enjoyed listening. Bye-bye. Thank